Have you ever imported data into Excel and noticed random spaces in your entries? Some names have leading, trailing, or extra spaces between words, and with hundreds of rows, deleting them manually would be impossible. I'm Limon, and in this video, I'll show you how to quickly remove leading, trailing, and extra spaces in Excel, even if you have hundreds of rows. Now let's get started.
Here's the quick and easy fix using Excel's trim function. The trim function removes all unnecessary spaces from text except for single spaces between words. In this example, I have a column of names with extra spaces. In cell B2, type the formula equals trim A2. Press enter and you'll see that all the extra spaces are gone instantly. Now instead of typing the formula for every cell, use the fill handle to copy it down quickly. Select B2, hover your mouse over the small black square in the bottom right corner until you see a plus sign, then double click. Excel will automatically copy the formula down to the last cell with data. Now this new column looks clean, but remember it's still a formula. If you delete the original data, you'll get a reference error. To fix this, copy the clean column Ctrl C or Command plus C. Right click in a new column like C2 and choose paste values. Now the cells only contain the clean text, not the formula. Check your new column, no formulas, no extra spaces. You can safely delete the original messy columns and keep only the clean data. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove extra spaces from Excel data using the trim function.